Is your Starlink internet frozen?
You ever try having a work call on Google Meet while on your Starlink and it won't stop freezing and buffering? In this video, I'll show you how you can fix slow Starlink speeds for a much smoother and a lot less stressful Google Meet experience. Starlink is the best satellite internet solution right now, but there are still lots of ways it can give you connection issues. Before you try anything, make sure that your dish is not obstructed. The easiest way to mess up your Starlink connection is to block your satellite dish. Obviously, you shouldn't have something covering your dish, but even if you don't, you still might have a tree or part of your roof off to the side, partially obstructing your connection. Check the obstruction map in your Starlink app to make sure that your dish has a clear view of the sky. Now, even if your dish is completely unobstructed, the connection can still be affected by a bunch of other factors. You could have a weak connection to your router. There could be interference from other Wi-Fi connections. There could be drops in coverage as satellites move around. Or you could just have an old and faulty dish. So no matter what, you will experience little connection drops and packet loss. And this can affect your video streams, including your calls. The secret to cutting out most of these issues is bringing an additional internet connection into the mix. That connection could be a 4G or 5G or some old DSL line, even another Starlink. The more internet connections you combine with your Starlink, the more you can fill in any gaps in your connection stability and keep your internet fast even when your Starlink slows down. Now you may be wondering, how do you combine another internet connection with your Starlink? But it's so easy. You just download Speedify, because Speedify uses a unique technology called channel bonding to intelligently send and receive your internet traffic over multiple internet sources at the same time. It can even split a single stream at the packet level, which means it can increase your bandwidth as you add more connections. This results in a smoother, crisper video and audio for Google Meet. Speedify even has an enhanced streaming mode that'll prioritize your streaming traffic over everything else. This makes sure that your Google Meet sessions go on without any interruptions. Plus, if you want to add more cellular connections for even more bandwidth and stability, you don't need extra adapters. Speedify just lets you wirelessly pair as many devices as you want to share their cellular over the local network. The more devices you pair, the stronger your connection will be. All you need to do is connect everyone to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot. Download Speedify for free on all your devices and pair phones in the Speedify app to share cellular. This is what we call pair and share. So if you're tired of issues with Google Meet, you know what to do. Just download Speedify today from the Google Play or the Apple App Stores and enjoy a better, faster, more stable and secure internet. If you want to learn more useful tech tips, subscribe to our channel for more videos.